How's it going, everybody? This week's gonna be another quick video. It's gonna be changing out the front headlights and the daylight running lights to LEDs. Probably the best thing I've done for the car, actually, because I could see a lot better at night. And what else? Yeah, it's pretty simple. You're just twisting stuff off and taking them off, putting it back on, twisting it back on. So only thing that you do need to do is if you don't have a car jack, just turn the wheels sideways. That way you could get to the panel underneath the wheel well. But other than that, it's pretty simple. The LEDs I used in the video ended up giving me a warning light in the car, so I switched them out with some can't think of the name of it right now, but I want to say resistors. Might be diodes. Can't think of it right now, but they're built into it, so it has no warning lights anymore. Couldn't find my soldering gun, actually, so I just decided to buy some that already had them pre-installed. I'll put the links on the description. And for this video, I'm going to be using some of my friends that I've met in Honduras. They're DJs out there, and pretty excited. So if you guys enjoy house music, I'll put the links also in the description so you guys can check them out. Thanks. So first, turning the wheels to take the wheel well cover. There you'll be able to access the daylight running lights. Untwist the cover for that. The top bulb's going to be the one you're going to want to replace. For the headlights, you'll be able to access it from the engine bay. If you bend the cable, it will help with install. And then just repeat on the other side. The passenger side's a little difficult just because the radiator fluid's kind of in the way. For the trunk light, you're going to need a spiky panel tool. And then you just uncover the light bulb. You could unplug it, but I decided not to. Take out the bulb, replace it, and put everything back. For the lights in the driver and passenger seat, use a panel remover again, and then just pop it out from the sides. Once you got that, you can unplug the power source. Using the tool also, you're going to pry off this plastic thing that's covering the light bulbs. And just put everything back together. And here's before and after.